Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you the 5 best action cameras in 2023. Whether you want to capture your adventures, sports, or vlogs, these cameras will help you record stunning videos and photos with ease. We have done extensive research and compared various features, specs, and reviews to pick the top 5 best action cameras in 2023 for you. You can find the links to each product in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 3. The DJI Osmo Action 3 standard combo comes with a lot of features that make it an excellent choice for vloggers. It has a super wide FOV that captures everything in front of you and a 10-bit color depth that makes your videos look more vibrant and lifelike. One of the most impressive features of this camera is horizon steady. It keeps your video stable even when you're moving around. This is especially useful if you're filming while walking or running. The DJI Osmo Action 3 standard combo is also cold resistant and long lasting, so you can take it with you on all your adventures without worrying about it breaking down. In addition to these features, the DJI Osmo Action 3 standard combo also has a 4K HDR video recording capability that produces stunningly detailed and vivid videos. The camera also has a time-lapse mode that allows you to capture beautiful time-lapse videos of sunsets, cityscapes, and more. Another great feature of the DJI Osmo Action 3 standard combo is its voice control function. You can control the camera hands-free by using voice commands such as start recording or take a photo. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 3 standard combo is an excellent choice for vloggers who want a high-quality camera that's easy to use and produces great-looking videos. Number 4. GoPro Hero 10. The Hero 10 Black comes with a front LCD and touch rear screens, 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video, and 23MP photos. It also has a GP2 processor that delivers high frame rates and a fast, smooth user interface. With 1080p live streaming and webcam features, you can share your experiences with your friends and family in real time. This camera is waterproof and comes with a carrying case, rechargeable battery, curved adhesive mounts, mounting buckle plus thumb screw, and USB-C cable. You can take it anywhere you go without worrying about damaging it. The Hero 10 Black has a variety of video settings that you can choose from depending on your needs. For example, you can shoot in 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video or 4K 120 video resolution. You can also take photos in 23MP resolution. One of the best things about the Hero 10 Black is its Hyper Smooth 4.0 technology, which provides gimbal-like stabilization without the need for an actual gimbal. This means that you can capture smooth footage even when you're moving around. Another great feature of the Hero 10 Black is its Time Warp 3.0 technology, which allows you to capture time-lapse videos while you're on the move. You can speed up the footage by up to 30x to create amazing time-lapse videos that are perfect for sharing on social media. Overall, the GoPro Hero 10 Black is an excellent action camera that's perfect for anyone who loves adventure and wants to capture their experiences in high-quality video and photos. Number 3. DJI Pocket 2. The camera has a 20mm f/1.8 lens and records 4K 60fps video at 100 megabits per second. It also captures photos with a resolution of 16MP using 4:1 pixel binning. It shoots 4K, 2.7K, and 1080p video at up to 60fps with support for 24, 25, 30, 48, and 50fps capture too. One of the standout features of DJI Pocket 2 is its active track technology, which allows you to track your subject automatically while you move around. This feature is perfect for vloggers who want to capture themselves while they're on the move. Another great feature of DJI Pocket 2 is its glamour effects, which allow you to enhance your photos and videos with various filters. You can choose from different filters such as beauty, smoothness, and softness to make your photos and videos look more professional. DJI Pocket 2 also comes with a range of accessories such as the wireless module, which allows you to connect your camera to your smartphone wirelessly. This feature makes it easy to transfer your photos and videos to your phone without having to use cables. In conclusion, DJI Pocket 2 is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to capture high-quality videos and photos without carrying bulky equipment around. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around in your pocket or bag, while its advanced features ensure that you get the best possible results every time you use it. Number 2. Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition. This camera comes with 4 modules: the core module, boost 4K module, 360 module, and battery base. With these modules combined, you can shoot stunning 4K videos at 60fps and 5.7K 360 videos with interchangeable lenses. The core module is the heart of the camera and provides the basic functionality of the camera. The Boost 4K module adds an extra layer of detail to your videos with its ability to shoot in 4K resolution at 60 fps. The 360 module allows you to capture everything around you in stunning detail with its ability to shoot in 5.7K resolution. And finally, the battery base provides extra power to keep your camera running for longer. But that's not all. The Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition also has features such as stabilization, 48MP photo, active HDR, and AI editing. With these features, you can take amazing photos and videos that are sure to impress. One of the best things about this camera is its waterproof design. You don't have to worry about getting it wet while you're out exploring. It's perfect for capturing all your water-based adventures. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality action camera that can capture all your adventures in stunning detail, then the Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition is definitely worth checking out. With its modular design and amazing features, it's sure to be a great addition to your gear collection. Number 1. GoPro HERO11. The HERO11 Black is an action camera that comes with a larger new image sensor that delivers an immersive, extra-large field of view. It also has cinematic 5.3K 60 plus 2.7K 240 video with 24.7 megapixel stills from video. The camera weighs 133 grams and is waterproof up to 33 feet. The HERO11 Black captures video only and has several video settings that are available in different modes such as highest quality video mode, extended battery video mode, and looping video mode. You can change your settings in the camera by visiting their How to Use Presets article. The HERO11 Black also has several features such as live streaming and webcam that allow you to share your adventures with your friends and family in real time. The camera also comes with hyper-smooth stabilization that provides gimbal-like stabilization. The HERO11 Black has a built-in touchscreen display that makes it easy to frame shots and navigate menus. You can also use voice commands to control your camera. The camera also has a time warp feature that allows you to capture stabilized time-lapse videos while you move about a scene. In conclusion, GoPro HERO11 Black is an excellent action camera that comes with several features such as live streaming, webcam, stabilization, cinematic video quality, touchscreen display, voice commands and time warp feature that can help you capture your adventures in high quality. That's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed watching and learned something new. If you want to get your hands on any of these cameras, check out the links in the description below. And if you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for being awesome and we'll catch you in the next one.